Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Eva. If you're not new here, thank you so much for returning. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my Amazon must-haves for my business. This is gonna be a part 1, so make sure to subscribe so you can see part 2. Thank you so much for joining me today, and let's just get right into the video. Everything that I use and that I show you guys is gonna be linked in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. So item number 1 is going to be my ring light. I use my ring light every single day. I use it to take product photos, product videos. I use it when filming my YouTube videos. You can see it right here. Highly recommend having a ring light if you have any type of small business, and it also brings better lighting to your pictures and videos. So let me show you guys mine. Here is my ring light. It's super bright. I believe this one is about 18 inches tall. Highly recommend. You can adjust it, and you can also change the brightness of the lighting using this little switch here. You can dim it. You can make it as light or as bright as you want. So highly recommend this. This is an everyday daily use for me. You will not be disappointed with this ring light. Okay, so number 2 for me is going to be my Rollo label printer. I use my Rollo label printer every single day to print out my shipping labels, so I don't have to go to the post office to get them printed out, and I don't use my regular inkjet printer to print them out and then cut them and tape them. I don't do any of that. This label maker prints out your labels. The labels that you use are already sticky, so you just peel off the back and slap them on your orders. Super easy. Highly recommend. When I first started my business, I was going to the post office and I was having them print them out. One, it's more expensive, and then when I got my printer, I started taping them down. That just took so much time because you literally have to cut them and then tape them down. This investment, it was about $189. Definitely worth it. So let me show you guys mine. And the good thing is it does not use ink, so you don't have to purchase ink for this label printer. So let me show it to y'all. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna print some labels so I can show you guys how fast and easy that it works. That was the label printer. It prints out super fast. Like I said, the back is sticky. You just peel off the paper backing, stick it onto your package, and you're done. Pretty soon I will be doing a video showing you guys how I ship my packages. A lot of people have been asking, so that will be an upcoming video, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, so number 3 for me for my Amazon must-haves is gonna be this digital scale. Highly recommend this scale. It's very inexpensive. It works super well. It takes batteries. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how easy it is to use. So here it is. This kind of goes hand in hand with the Rollo label printer because you need a shipping scale or some type of scale to weigh your packages so that you're able to use the Rollo. So I'm gonna turn on this scale. It's battery operated. So there it is. The package that I'm gonna put on here already has a shipping label, but I just want to show you guys how it works. So you want to make sure it's at 0, and you want to make sure the scale is on a flat surface. Then you're gonna put your package. It's gonna weigh it out. It weighs 14.6 ounces. So then that's when I go ahead and put that in the computer, so I know how much I have to pay for my shipping label. And then sometimes I'll double check it to make sure it's correct. 14.6, so that is correct. Highly recommend. It works amazing and super inexpensive. Okay, number 4 for me is going to be 2 items, but they kind of go together. It's going to be this tape dispenser, and then this tape is actually no noise tape. So I have a toddler. Sometimes I work at night, and I used to use regular tape, and it would be so loud. I work downstairs, but you would be able to hear that tape upstairs. So highly recommend this no noise tape. It really does work. Let me show you guys. That's not the tape making a noise. That's my little thingy, but it's not nearly as loud as the regular tape. That stuff is super loud. Do not recommend if you have kids. And then of course this tape dispenser. Before I used to just have the rolls. Don't ask me why. I would just use the rolls. Didn't have a tape dispenser, and I would be there forever trying to find the ends. I would even fold it down, but sometimes it would still be hard to pull up the tape. So highly recommend this tape dispenser and the no noise tape, especially if you have kids. Again, this is something that I do use every single day. So yeah. Okay, I think we're at number 5. So number 5 for me is gonna be these fabric rulers. I use these every single day, especially when making t-shirts. I will measure to make sure that the design is even. I will measure to see how big I need to print my design for sublimation. You can really use these for anything. Even when I make doormats, I use these to measure to make sure that the design is right in the center. So I highly recommend these fabric rulers. You can use them for so many things. So that's definitely on my Amazon must-have. So I have one more Amazon must-have, number 6 for this video. This is another thing that I use every single day. It's a phone holder that actually clips onto your desk. This is how I record my videos from up top, especially when I'm making cups. You can see the full view. Even when I'm packing orders, I use this. So let me show it to you guys. Let me show y'all how it works. It's super cool. And this one is also very inexpensive. So here is my desk phone holder. I highly recommend this if you want a top view of what you're doing. It clips onto the desk right here. It goes as wide as you would like it. It doesn't damage your desk or anything like that. So I really like that. And then this also expands to fit your phone. So I thought that's pretty cool. And then this is also adjustable. You can put it down, you can pick it up, you can adjust it however you want. I use this every single day. So when I'm making cups or packaging orders, I record from the top view here so that my followers can see everything that I'm doing. I love to do this, especially when layering vinyl on cups, because they get to see everything. So this is definitely a Amazon must-have for me. I really love it, and I love that it's not super expensive. Okay guys, so that was part 1 of my Amazon must-haves. All of those items I use every single day. I honestly would be lost in my business without them. I love that they're super inexpensive, and I love how helpful they are to me. If I didn't have those things, and when I didn't have those things, it was a little bit harder to run my business. Let me know if this video was helpful for you guys. Give this video a like if you want to see a part 2. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I truly appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.